The subject of this video is securing your tenant with the Microsoft Security Center scorecard. So open up security. You can go to the waffle on the left and look up security. Go to the scorecard, and then this dashboard will appear. So this will give you a score. It'll note what you've worked on to date and implemented, and then other sections that they recommend you implement. And you can review each and decide whether or not your InfoSec policy requires you to implement it or if it's optional. There are a few areas that I recommend. Now note that each recommendation will give you steps on how to implement. So do your research, don't implement all at once, and use guidance from InfoSecurity. So one area that I always pay attention to is what they call the role-based access control. These roles can be very dangerous. Notice over to the right, you can see the privileged icon. Global administrator is the most powerful. So if someone is in there, a disgruntled employee, they can wreak havoc on your environment. So the best practice is usually 2 or 3 global admins, and then the rest implement read or view access type RBAC rules, and then very carefully implement them. Also the sharing center settings. So you'd be very cautious with how you implement these settings, because if it's wide open, you've got data loss problems and risks. And if it's too tight, then there might be issues sharing content with third-party providers and partners. Also, multi-factor authentication, using the phone app to authenticate logins. The secondary, the multi-factor authentication has become the industry standard because of all the phishing scams and account breaches. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.